Students, how are you? Today we will solve example about tests from Giza government. Question number 1. Choose the correct answer. If square root of 64 plus 36 equal 8 plus x, then x equal first, we must find the result inside the root. 64 plus 36 equal 100. So the square root of 100 equal 10. Then 10 equal 8 plus 2. So x will be 2. Okay. Question number 2. If the two equations x plus 4y equal 7 and 3x plus ky equal 21 have an infinity number of solutions in our product R, then k equal. We have an infinity number of solutions, and the first equation must be equal the second equation. Look at the coefficient of x here 1, and in the second equation is 3. So we must multiply 3 about equation number 1. 3x plus 12, it will be 3x plus 12y equal 21. Then k will be what? 12. K will be equal 12. Question number 3. If x plus 3y equals 7, then x plus 3 multiply y plus 5 in brackets equal space. We know the result will be x plus 3y plus 15. We're using distribution properties. He told us x plus y, x plus 3y equals 7. This expression, the result about this expression equals 7. So the result will be 7 plus 15 equal 22. So the result will be 22. Question number 4. If n of x equal x plus 2 over x minus 3, then the domain of n power negative 1 is. We know domain of n power negative 1 is the inverse about fraction. Domain will be r, subtract zeros of denominator and numerator. It will be 3 and negative 2. We must write zeros of numerator and denominator about this fraction. Question number 5. If x product y equal 12 and y product z equal 20 and x product z equal 15, where x belonging to r positive and y belonging to r positive, z belonging to real number positive, then x product y product z will be. We know x times y product y product z product x product z equal 12 product 20 product 15. Okay, we know x product x equal x power 2 and y product y power 2 and z product z equal z power 2. Then we can write x y z equal square root of 12 plus times 20 times 15. 12 times 20 times 15. The result will be 3,600. So the result will be 3,600. It will be 60. The result will be 60 only, because he told us our x belonging to r positive and y belonging to r positive and z belonging to r positive. So the result must be positive. It will be 60, because 60 times 60 equals 3,600. Question number 6. Question number 6. If A and B are two monthly exclusive events, then A product B, A intersection B equal space. A intersection B equal 5, because A and B was disjoint, so the intersection about them equal 5. Question number 2. If A and B are two events for a simple space of random experiment, probability A equal half, probability B equal third. Find probability of A union B if product probability of A product intersection B equal 1 over 8. We can write the result here. Product, no, he want to find union between A and B. We can write probability A union B equal probability A plus probability of B subtract probability of A intersection B. We know probability A was half, so the result will be half, plus probability of B was third, subtract intersection of A and B equal 1 over 8. Then we can write the result here. 8 divided by 2 equal 4. 1 times 4 equal 4. 8 divided 8 again. 8 times 3, we can write 24. 8 times 3. 3 times 8 equal 24. 24 divided by 2 equal 12. 12, 4 times 3. And 8 times 3 divided by 3 equal 8. Subtract 8 times 3 over 8 equal 3. So the result, we can write this expression in your calculator and find the order. 3 times 4 equal 12 plus 8. Subtract 3 over 24. 20 minus 3, because 12 plus 8 equal 20. 20 minus 3 equals 17 over 24. And what about question number 2? A and B are two mutually exclusive events. The result will be probability A. You want to find probability A union B. Probability A plus probability B plus B. Okay, subtract probability A intersection B equals 0, because A and B are two mutually exclusive events, and disjoint. A and B are disjoint. So in this question number 2, probability A union B equal probability A plus probability B. The result will be half plus third. Half plus third equal 5 over 6. Okay, so the result will be 5 over 6 about question number 2, and question number 1, the result will be 17 over 24. Half plus third subtract 1 over 8. You can use a calculator to find the result about question number 2. Here, half plus third subtract 1 over 8. 1 over 8. So it will be 17 over 24. Okay. Question number 3, letter A. Use the general formula to find in R the solution of the equation to x power 2 subtract 5x plus 1. We can solve that here. X equal, we know x equal negative b, positive or negative, square root of b power 2 subtract 4ac over 2a. In this example, a equal 2, b equal negative 5, and c equal 1. We can write here, so x will be negative b, it will be 5 because b was negative 5 and a was 2 and c equal 1. Then x equal 5, negative b, it will be 5. Convert the sign here, positive or negative. Square root of b power 2 equal 25. Subtract 4, multiply a, multiply c, multiply 2, and multiply 1. Over 2 times a. 2 times a equal 4. Then x equal 5, positive. Square root of 25, subtract 8, and x will be equal 5 subtract square root of 24 subtract 8 over 2. X will be equal 5 plus 24 subtract 8 equals 16. Okay, 16 square root of 16, 24, it was 25, sorry, 25 subtract 8, 25 subtract 8 equals 17 over 4, and x will be 5 subtract square root of 17 divided by 2. We can use a calculator and find the result. First we can write 5 plus square root of 17 over 4. The result will be, he want to approximate to one decimal place, 2.3, because 8 give 2 1. The result will be 2.3. X equal 2.3 and x equal, we can convert the sign here and raise this. Okay, 0.2. So the solution set will be 2.3 and 0.2. It's the result about this equation. Okay, question B, find n of x in the simplest form and find the domain of n where n of x equal x power 2 plus 4x plus 3 over x power 3 subtract 27 divided by x plus 3 over x power 2 plus 3x plus 9. Then find n of 2 and n of negative 3 if it is possible. Okay, we can solve here this function n of x equal x power 2 plus 4x plus 4x plus 3 over x power 3 subtract 27 divided by x plus 3 over x power 2 plus 3x plus 9. N of x, we can factorize this example. X power 2 plus 4x plus 3. We can factorize this expression, x and x. When 1 and 3, we want to find two-digit multiplication about them equal 3, and if we add them, the result will be 4. The result will be x plus 1 and x plus 3. And x power 3 subtract 27, we can factorize here x and negative 3. X power 2 equal x power 2 plus 3x plus 9. We can write multiplication here and write the inverse multiplicative about this fraction, x power 2 plus 3x plus 9 over x plus 3. And we can factorize this expression also. Okay, x plus 1 multiply x plus 3 over x minus 3 multiply x power 2 plus 3x plus 9 multiply x power 2 plus 3x plus 9 over x plus 3. We can cancel this and find the domain will be R, subtract set of 0 here, 3 and negative 3, only because x power 2 plus 3x plus 5, we haven't any root here. And we can cancel this expression with this expression, so n of x will be x plus 1, and we have x subtract 3 here in denominator over x subtract 3. And he want to find n of 2. N of 2, see, n of 2 equal, we can put 2 here, 2 plus 1 over 2 subtract 3, then the result will be 3 over negative 1, so the result will be negative 3. This is the result about n of 2. And what about n of negative 3? N of negative 3, it is impossible. It is impossible. Okay, because negative 3 inside the domain. Okay, another example, find n of x in the simplest form and find domain of n where n of x equal n of x equal x over x subtract 4 subtract x plus 4 over x power 2 subtract 16. we can simplify it. N of x over x subtract 4 subtract x plus 4 over x minus 4 multiply x plus 4. We can find the domain R subtract set of 4 and negative 4. Okay, it's the domain. And what about simplest form? We can write simplest form. We can cancel x plus 4 with x plus 4, so the result will be x over x subtract 4 subtract 1 over x subtract 4. We can write the result x subtract 4 here because the numerator was like the denominator here, and we can write in numerator is x subtract 1. This is the result about this fraction. Okay, it's the simplest form. Question number B, find algebraically the solution set of the two equations R and R. X subtract y equal 1, x subtract y equal 1, and x power 2 plus y power 2 equal 25. We can solve it. Here y, we can write x equal 1 plus y. We can move negative y plus from left hand side to right hand side, so x will be 1 plus y, and in this equation we can write x power 2 plus y power 2 equal 25. We can cancel y here and write 1 plus y with in at x. So we can write 1 plus y here in x, 2 power 2 in brackets plus y power 2 equal 25. Y power 2 equal 1 and y power 2 equal 1, and the median term we can write 2 times y 2 times 1 2y plus y power 2 equal 25. So y power 2 plus y power 2, the result will be 2y power 2 plus 2y and 1 subtract 25 here equals 0. So 2y power 2 plus 2y subtract 24 equals 0, because 1 and negative 25 equal negative 24. And we can simplify it by dividing by 2. The result will be y power 2 plus y subtract 12 equals 0. We can simplify this expression by factorize y multiply y, and 3 multiply 4 equal 12, and sign here will be difference, negative and positive. 4 will be positive because the median was positive, and the digit, another digit will be negative. Then y will be 3 or y will be negative 4. And what about x? We can find the value of x here. X equal 1 plus y, so will be x equal 1 plus 3 equal 4, and x 1 plus y was negative 4, so x will be negative 3. Okay, so the solution set will be 4 and 3, and second will be negative 3 and negative 4. Negative 3 and negative 4. It's the solution set about this equation. It's okay. Question number 5. We have n1 and n2. Show if n1 equal n2 or not given region. We can find n1 in the simplest form and find the domain. X power 2 subtract 4 over x power 2 plus x subtract x. We can write x minus 2 here and x plus 2. We can factorize this expression, and the denominator here we can write and x power 2 plus x minus 6. We can factorize it, x multiply x, and 2 times 3 equals 6, and the difference between them equal 1. 3 will be positive and 2 will be negative. So we can write the domain equal r subtract 2 and negative 3. It was n1. And what about n2? We can simplify n2. n2 was x power 2 subtract x minus 6 over x power 2 subtract 9. We can factorize this expression. We can write x multiply x, 2 times 3 equals 6. 3 will be negative and 2 will be positive because the difference between them equal 1. And x power 2 subtract 9, we can write x times x, and 3 times 3 negative and positive. So domain 2, it was domain 1 and it was domain 2. we can write r subtract set of negative 3 and 3. Okay, we know domain 1 not equal domain 2, then n1 not equal n2. Okay, so n1 not equal n2, but n1 of x equal x plus 2 over x plus 3, and here will be, we can cancel, the result will be x plus 2 over x plus 3. So okay, n1 of x equal n1 n2 of x, but domain 1 not equal domain 2, then n1 not equal n2. Question letter P. If negative 3 and 3 is the set of zeros of the function, if of x equal x power 2 plus a, then a equal, we know negative 3 and 3 set of 0 of the function, so we can write the root here and the result will be 0. Okay, x power 2 plus a equals 0 if x equal 3 or negative 3, then we can write 3 here, or negative 3 power 2 plus a equals 0, so 9 plus a equals 0, then a equal negative 9. A will be negative 9. Okay, we solve this exam about 20 minutes. Okay, in the next time we will solve another examples. We must pay attention about all examples and solve this in your home with your hand. Okay, thank you my students, goodbye.